Welcome to Let Us Beauty YouTube channel. Let Us Beauty, yes, we got that shine from wigs and hair care, making you look fine.
All right, beauty cuties, welcome to the La Host Beauty page. And take this journey with me as I took a 613 platinum blonde wig and I colored her fuchsia. What you see me doing now is I'm rinsing all the color out. It takes you about 3 to 5 minutes of just straight water rinsing to make sure all of that color is out. And I'm rinsing it again in cool water because I want to seal the cuticles up, because this is a human hair wig and the wig is very poor. So you got to treat it almost like it's a damaged wig. Now I'm putting on the purple shampoo. It's called Brass Off by The Matrix. And I love this shampoo. I usually use it on my blonde or my ash wigs, but I thought it would make the fuchsia wig pop with the color even more. So here you see me just really getting that shampoo in. I am not scrubbing or rubbing because the hair is already very porous. You got to treat it, like I said, like damaged hair. So I'm very gentle in how I'm using it. And just squeezing it is a proper wash. I promise you, you will not be disappointed using this method. You'll keep your wig so much longer and you'll keep the hair so much more healthier. I'm only going to use 2 products, which are the Unlock and the Protect and Shine, the Heat Thermal Protection and the leave-in conditioner to get that hair back strong and healthy. I know this looks like a matted mess, but trust the process. Once you get that Unlock in there, you're going to strengthen up that hair instantaneously. So I'm telling you, this not only works for human hair wigs, it works for synthetic wigs, and it also works for your hair. This is one of our #1 sellers. Just a dab of do you, put it in. Make sure you are using a small tooth comb. And you're going to take the hair section by section as you are molding it into the style you want it to go in. So I've sprayed on some Protect and Shine. As I said, it is available at Walmart. I'm so proud to say that. You can go to walmart.com and get the Unlock and the Protect and Shine, or you can shop below right here on YouTube or wherever you're watching this video. And again, listen to me, beauties. That molding is important because now it's the next day. I let it air dry. And look at that color. Oh my God. Yes, honey, it is giving. It's just giving gorgeousness. All right, so I'm not going to really cut. I'm just going to shape the wig. And I'm doing what you see here, a slither cut. And that's just basically kind of giving me that, the layers. It's like a real soft layer. And I'm just going in because I want the bangs to be kind of like a bulk cut. So here I'm doing almost like a mullet pixie cut. And what a mullet pixie cut is, it's a mixture of cutting it shorter on the sides, leaving the back a little bit longer, but I want it pixie, right? I don't want a bob. I don't want, too long on the sides. So that's how we get that pixie look. But then the mullet is the long parts in the back. And you see how that goes around that neck? That's because when the wig is wet, it is so important to mold. Mold when the wig is wet. I promise you, you'll be cutting down half of your curling time when you mold the wig properly with a small tooth comb and the Protect and Shine. So here I'm using the Protect and Shine and a very light holding spray. Real important to put that Protect and Shine on there. It is a heat thermal protection when you start flat ironing and curling. I slowed it down just a little bit to show you all I'm doing is just pulling, adding Protect and Shine, which gives you that nice, healthy, beautiful, shiny, not a curl, but a soft bend. Again, this is more molding than anything. And then you're going to use your feather comb to kind of push out more details. And again, use a light hairspray. Now, do y'all remember how matted up and horrible the wig looked when it was wet? When you use the right proper products, bam, there you go. Absolutely gorgeous. And I believe that purple shampoo really enhanced the fuchsia. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me, what color would you have used? Yellow, green, purple. Tell me some other colors. Give me some suggestions. And if you have any questions for me, make sure you put it down in the comment section. I hope you enjoying my page because I'm sure enjoying you coming to La Host Beauty and checking us out. Again, any questions or if you want me to do some videos, please put it down in the comments. See you in the next video, beautiful.
for watching my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Check out more videos from Leah's Beauty. Thanks Beauty Cuties for Leah's Beauty. Thanks Beauty Cuties for watching my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Check out more videos from Leah's Beauty. Thanks Beauty Cuties for Leah's Beauty. Thanks Beauty Cuties for watching my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Check out more videos from Leah's Beauty. Thanks Beauty Cuties for Leah's Beauty. Thanks Beauty Cuties for watching my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Check out more videos from Leah's Beauty. Thanks Beauty